Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word. You can very easily view two pages side by side in Word very easily. So need to click on here view tab. You see here view tab. Just click on it. Click on it. Now you here see this one page, so my page will be one page, so need to click on here multiple page. So I have one page only, so just create this page. I will press this enter key to create this page. Now you can click on here multiple pages, so you see this side by side this three or this four, and you can very easily view this multiple pages in Word. Very easy and a simple method. Just click on view, and here you see this multiple page. So just click on it multiple pages. So you see this pages multiple side by side. Need to disable this. You need to disable this, so you can very easily disable. Click on one page, so you can very easily disable this multiple pages. And now scroll down, so you see this pages, and you need to view side by side, so click on multiple pages, so you can view this side by side these pages. So this way you can very easily view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.